Today, let's learn how to delete draft reels in Instagram in 2022. And for those who actually made some reels and you didn't really actually posted them on Instagram because for some personal reasons, whether that may be that you don't want to post it on public or you don't actually want the world to see what you have done. So in order to actually delete your reel so that you may have more space for other stuff on your phones, head on over to Instagram right now and actually head on over to your Reels tab, which should be over here. So for example, essentially post a reel and make an example of a draft so that we may actually have something to delete in order to actually post a reel. Just swipe all the way to the right side of the screen, and then let's head on over on Reels, which should be right here on the bottom. Click on Reel and click on Add a Reel. So right now I'm recording my reel. Click on Stop the Reel, click on Next, and that will be on our draft when we click on Next. Again, and click on Save Draft. Alright, so now we have a specific reel that we can actually delete when we head on over to the Reels tab on our profile icon. Over here we have the reel draft. So how do you actually delete it? All you need to do is to click on the draft step, or rather the draft tab. Click on that specific reel, and over here you can actually click on Edit. And at Eclipse now you can actually click on that clip, delete that clip, discard, and click on. Well, it's not really going to do much since when you delete that clip, it's going to be gone forever. Right. So once you click on Delete, it's going to be gone, but this will still be the same. So how do you actually delete this forever? Well, can you click on Save Draft again